Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined. Please click billing info and update your payment information. If you cancel, you may not be able to buy until this billing issue has been resolved. So guys, if you are facing this issue, if your payment method was declined, try these steps to resolve the issue. Number one is check your card details. Ensure your card number, expiration date and security code are correct. If code, expiration and card number is correct, now applying solution number two. Solution number two is verify your card balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds for credit available. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check your card's expiration date. Ensure your card is not expired. If your card is expired, then simply renew the card and add another card and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is contact your bank. Reach out to your bank customer support to check if there are any issue with your card. Ensure your card is enabled for online transactions. See if there are any restrictions or holds on your card and to fix. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is try a different payment method. If possible, try using a different card or a payment option to fix this issue. If solution number five is not working, now applying the solution number six. Check for any declined payment limits. Some banks have limits or declined payments. If you have reached this limit, try using a different payment method and fix your issue. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is update your payment information. Ensure your payment information is up to date and accurate. Number 8, check for any technical issue. Try processing the payment again as it might have been a temporary issue and fix your problem. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9 is contact the merchant customer support. If you are trying to make a purchase, reach out this merchant customer support for assistance. If solution number 9 is not working, now applying the solution number 10. Solution number 10 is sign out Apple ID and sign in back. Tap on settings, tap on Apple ID, sign out and sign in back and fix your problem. If solution number 10 is not working, now applying the solution number 11. Solution number 11 is make sure your iPhone is up to date. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 11 is not working, applying the solution number 12. Solution number 12 is contact Apple support if using Apple Pay. If you are using Apple Pay, contact Apple support for further assistance. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix your payment method was declined error on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.